I'm inside. Ooh, stinks of beer and cheesy feet.
Just get that decrypt key. Fast.
Get your hands off my shit.
Oh, hey, Lenny. I'm in your house, fucking up your shit.
Think you're fucking smart? Bunker Boom 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 was my failsafe for Sons of Ragnarok, but yeah, this'll work too. Can't have my hard drive seized by undesirables.
Is that Lenny?
She's rigged the place to blow.
What?
What are we looking at?
2, no, 3. It looks like... Shit! Maybe 4. They don't seem connected, so I don't think the order matters.
How many nodes?
Just find another way out.
Guys! I need to concentrate.
T-minus 2 minutes, scrub!
Jesus, you fucking glue-filled donut hole!
Look at that. Seems like I handled the booms.
This is not fucking over!
Yeah, it is.
Hey, Marcus. Home sweet hackerspace. It's finally rid of that Prime 8 smell.
Is it ready?
Yep. Wrench had to spray a bit of bombs be gone, and then whoosh. Go check it out.